Hello everyone, I have created installation videos of so many operating systems, but I forgot the legendary OS. So here it is, the installation video of Windows 7. First, head to Google and search Windows 7. Since Microsoft stopped the distribution of Windows 7, so we have to download its ISO file from other website. This site is trusted, so let's download the ISO file from here. Choose your desired version of Windows 7 and download its ISO file for 32 or 64-bit. Let's also check the official Microsoft site for Windows 7. As expected, no ISO file. So I am gonna download Windows 7 Home Premium version. File size is 5.4 GB, but their servers are good, so the download speed is nice. Now our Windows 7 ISO file is downloaded. Usually, we use Rufus to flash ISO file in USB, but for Windows 7, there is a catch. We can't install Windows 7 on Windows 8 and higher Windows version PC. So I am gonna install it in VirtualBox. If you want to install it in any PC, then steps will be same. Just open VirtualBox and create a new machine by the name of Windows 7. If you have downloaded 32-bit version, then change the version. For RAM, I am going for 4 GB, but you can also choose less. Since I have used Windows 7 on a 2 GB RAM PC, so I know that it works well. 32 GB disk space is more than enough. Now change some settings in system, uncheck floppy and give more processor cores. Increase video memory in display and then select Windows 7 ISO file in disk. Everything is done, so start the machine. Installation will automatically start after starting machine. Select language, then install now. Accept and next. Click on custom and select the disk. Then installation will start. It will automatically restart, then create user. I don't have any product key, so I am gonna skip this step. Select time and network. This startup sound is pretty nostalgic. This is the legendary Windows 7. Now I will show you how to run this in full screen. In devices, click on Insert Guest Editions disk, then open it in File Explorer. Install the software. Then you will have to reboot the system. Now in View, enable Auto Resize Guest Display and boom, our Windows 7 is now running in full screen. Also enable Full Screen Mode in View, then it will be edge to edge. Now it's looking amazing. Let's check for any system updates in Control Panel. Since it's checking for updates, we will install Chrome from Internet Explorer. Now I get it why people still love this old Windows 7. It's just fully optimized like iOS. Even the latest version of Chrome is running smooth. Let's see what changes we get after update. Finally, after an hour, all updates are done and you will see that now we have Microsoft Edge. Everything else is just same and smooth. So this was it, complete installation of legendary Windows 7. Thanks for watching.